Hello children. So today is the doubt class for your syllabus. Children ask me many times, ma'am, what will we come in computer test, what topics will come in test. So I make a video for you all. So start with topics. There are two chapters. Chapter number 1 all about software and chapter number 2 more about Windows 8.1. Both will be coming in computer test. But in the second chapter, more about Windows 8.1, there are only two topics will come in the test. Okay, so start chapter number 1. In this chapter, you have to revise types of software, system software and application software. See this chart. System software have already also 3 parts: operating system, language processor and utility software. Read all of them very carefully. And types of application software: general purpose application software and specific purpose application software. Read every line, every topics carefully. Okay, about system software, types of system software, operating system, what is the type of operating system and what is the work of operating system, all points are given there. Read carefully. Windows, Mac, Android, Unix and Linux are some popular operating systems. Okay, about language processor, you have to revise language processor. Okay, language processor have also 3 parts. This is a language. How many types of language? Machine language, assembly language and high level language. So read this. And assembler, interpreter and compiler. Assembler converts program into machine level programs. Interpreters high level into machine level, line by line. So interpreter converts line by line and compiler converts at one go. At one click, the whole programs convert into machine language. So read this carefully. And about device driver, utility programs. In this chapter 1, utility program, you have to revise about antivirus software, types of some important antivirus software like Norton, Quick Heal, Avicii, McAfee are some popular antivirus software. File manage, this is antivirus software, file management tools, compression tools, backup tools. And now application software. There are 2 main categories: general purpose application software like MS Word, Paint, Microsoft MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Paint. These are general purpose application software. And specific purpose application software, that means for a specific task. This application software created for a specific task like railway reservation system, hotel management system. So read this. General purpose application software. And this table is also important. You have to revise that word processing, what is the purpose of word processing and main examples of word processing software like MS Word, spreadsheet software, MS Excel, LibreOffice, Google Sheets, presentation graphics softwares. These are the presentation graphics software. And this is the database management software. Desktop publishing software for magazine and newspaper, creating newspaper and magazines. So these are the desktop publishing software. So read this and learn this carefully. Graphics software like Paint, Photoshop, AutoCAD, these are graphics software. Multimedia software, Window Movie Player, Game software, Window Media Player, VLC, etc. is a multimedia software. Okay, so read this. And about specific purpose application software like hospitals, like in hospital, hotel management, railway system. So these are specific purpose application software. Examples of specific purpose software like payroll software, school management software, hospital management software, railway reservation software, income tax software, and hotel booking software. And now come to the software piracy. What is software piracy? Software piracy is the illegal copy, distribution or use of software. Okay, so read every line of software piracy. Software piracy is a crime. Read important points here. Chapter's main important points are here. Read is also. And come to the book exercise. You have to revise these fill in the blanks. True or false also. Revise true or false. Correct option. Multiple choice question. You have to revise all multiple choice questions. And you should not read. You have not these are not important. Answer the following question. These are not important for MCQ test because the test is MCQ type only. There are 4 options. You have to choose correct one option. So these are not important for this test, but you will learn later. Okay, and now come to the chapter number 2. In chapter number 2, you have to revise only 2 topics. You have to revise only move to button. This how to moving a file or folder. You have to revise this topic in this chapter. Okay, move to command. Where is the move to command? In the move to button present in the organize group of the home tab. In the home tab there are organize group. In organize group there are the button move to button. Okay, so move to command. This topic are important, how to moving a file or folder. And next topic in this chapter is a copying a file or folder. Second topic is copying a file or folder. Where is the copy to command? Copy to command is same as the move to command. At the home button in a organize group. Copy to button present in the organize group of the home tab. So both are present in the home tab in the organize group. Okay, so only 2 topics will come in the test in chapter number 2. Move to command and copy to command. Okay, clear all doubt? So revise and best of luck for your tomorrow test. Okay, hope you all are doing very well. Preparation. Best of luck. Bye. Good luck.